How are you doing today? Welcome to Adota Farm. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys and I'll be talking about how you can start up a grass cutter in Nigeria. Apparently, I went to somewhere today and I just went to get some grass cutter for someone. Although that particular person doesn't have much right now, but he gave me a promise that he can make he can get for other people maybe like tomorrow or next tomorrow for me to supply to my customers. So if you want to start up a grass cutter farm and you are needing or you want a set or one colony of grass cutter, do well to reach out to me because at the end of this video I'll be dropping my contact list. And at that video that you guys just watched right now is that place. We went to that place, so you guys can see in that particular house. There are not much grass cutter there, but that particular person only has like a matured one, three matured one, male three, then two female, then one. One small one with it, so making like 6 or 7. So if you want to start up a grass cutter business is very lucrative. In short, that mill that you guys are seeing right there, the price are like 35,000 to 40,000 naira for one grass cutter, one mature grass cutter. 35 to 45,000 naira, I see. So there are money to be made from grass cutter. That particular one that you guys also just a mature dog. So if you want to get it, you pay for 45,000 naira to get one. So if you start up a grass cutter farming, there are lots of money to be made from it. And very soon I'll be dropping an ebook on a video training or a video course, a course for you to read if you want to start up a grass cutter farm. So you read a lot, you know on how to give them feed and what are the things to feed them. In that particular video that you guys just watched, you can see that there are corn chaff on the floor. The corn chaff, so those are things that they used to eat. Corn chaff, elephant grass, guinea grass, merge feed, starter merge feed, then some and sugarcane also. I know grass cutter doesn't they used to get sick easily compared to some other livestock. If you notice that they are sick, you can give them sugarcane and they pick up again. So the main purpose of this video today is that if you want to start up your grass cutter farm, do well to reach out to me. And if you want to get a colony, I can help you with that. A price of colony right now is 100,000 naira. I can't lie to you, it's 100,000 naira. If you want to get a colony of grass cutter, 4 female, 1 male. 4 female, 1 male. You can see if you watch that video very correct, you can see that small one that small grass cutter that particular man is holding. Those are the size that you meet in a colony. Those are the size of that colony. You see them. That very small one that the man just hold. So you can see. So that particular one are the one that you see in that particular colony. 4 female, 1 male, making 5 together. So it's 100,000 naira for that colony. Because the place that they were getting this grass cutter is very far. So transport fare on the agency that will meet on the road, stop to ask to collect some other things. So that was the reason why the price is 100,000 naira. And so if you want to get it, do want to reach out to me and I can help you with that. I can reach out to you and quickly before you know you'll get. And if you want a matured one, I can help you with that also. I can help you with that. At the end of the video, I'll be dropping my contact list. Do want to reach out to me. Grass cutter is a very lucrative business and it's the type of business that you can go into and you will not regret going into it if only you can take care of the very well and you can manage your farm. So that's the reason why I decided to share these little videos with you guys. Like if you want to start up your grass cutter farm, do want to reach out to me and I'll give you some other tips. And if you want to buy it, I can help you to reach out to people and before you know, I'll get it right done. Now if you want someone that can construct the house for you, I have someone that can construct the house for you. I will bring that person to that place and they'll construct the grass cutter house for you. So that's the reason why I decided to share these little videos with you guys. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do to subscribe, turn the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new content or a new video like this for you. Like this video and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.